Diastasis Recti Exercises for postpartum belly. This first move are lying kickouts, bringing your knees to your chest and extending forward, focusing on your breath. Next move, we have bent toe taps where your feet are together, bringing your knees to your chest and tapping to the floor. Next, you have pelvic tilts, similar to glute bridges, bringing your glutes as high as you can, activating and squeezing the glutes as well as focusing on contracting your core, abdominal muscles. Then we have alternating heel taps, bringing one knee to the chest and the opposite. For an extra challenge, you can add your arms in there with dumbbells or water bottles once you work up to this strengthening move. Then we have lying knee pull-ins, alternating in and out, focusing on your breath. Not only will this work your core, but also stretch out your legs. Then we have bird dog, reaching out forward with one arm, alternating to the opposing leg, knee to elbow. Really be mindful of your breath, lengthening as you come back in to contract. There we go. Then you have cat-cow, lengthening the spine, lengthening the core, really again focusing on that breath, always being mindful of your core. Here we have a standing core exercise where you take deep breaths in and out, focusing the breath on your belly and your abdominal, contracting every time you exhale out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Here is another toe tap modification where your feet will be wider than versus close together, into the chest and down to the ground. For an extra challenge, you can add your arms in there with light dumbbells, water bottle as an option. Here we have standing core, using your arms, a medicine ball or a light dumbbell, rotating your body left and right, focusing on your breath and the core, as well as up and over the head, side chops, and other side. Repeat these moves for the designated amount of time.